So it's August 10th. I've already started decorating for Halloween. I didn't decorate last year, and I was kind of just not in the mood, I guess, for decorating anything, and it really did affect me. So, like, it made me feel like more depressed. And I don't like go all out. I don't have a ton of decorations or anything, but you know, what little I have, I like to put out. A lot of my stuff is out year round, but I got some new things this year, so that helps motivate me because I want to see the new stuff. Sorry about that. One of the new things I put out this morning on my porch, and it actually started raining on me, which was funny. So you don't get a lot of rain here, and this happened to rain today. So that made me feel like I was in the right frame of mind, you know. Let's see if you can see it from down here. I mean, I can, but I don't know how you can see it on the camera. So I got little Jack Skellington bulbs, like lights. Now you can't tell they're Jack Skellington from down here, but I can up there. And there's 8 different light settings, and there's a timer. You hit timer, and automatically it will go on for 8 hours and then turn itself off for 16. And it's battery operated and weatherproof, so not that I get a lot of weather out here in Vegas, but just in case. So I thought it was cool. I'll show you a close-up of the faces because they're kind of different. Hello. Oh man, I'm tired tonight. We have our apartments have a little pool party today for, I think it was like 2 hours. Maybe we stayed for like 1. They were giving out some raffle prizes, like they were gift cards for restaurants. We stayed for 2 of the giveaways, but I didn't have a lot of shade. So after a while, I had to leave because I'm like, I'm a vampire, man. I'm gonna get burnt to a crisp. So we stayed for a while. They had burgers and hot dogs they made. That's good. Some sodas and other drinks, and then alcoholic drinks. I had, what did I have? An electric lemonade. I only drank like half of it because you can't really drink those kind of drinks when you're diabetic. You shouldn't really, because that spikes your blood sugar up. But I drank half of mine. It was pretty good, but then it made me tired, so I came home and slept. Came home and slept. And just woke up and I have to get my packages. Seems like I can get my key. No, I'm having issues tonight, y'all. There we go. I ran some crystals. Nice. So yeah, that was my day. Oh, last night I had a Amazon delivery, right? And I get this phone call, which I didn't answer because it was like some area code, not our area code. So I'm like, I'm not answering it, even though it was kind of late. And then I get this text message saying that Amazon driver needed to talk to me. So I go to the link and you can type and have a conversation. I'm like, usually that means I can't find your apartment. Hello. And they couldn't. So I told them where I was, and I had my lights on my railing on my porch, and I went outside, waited for him, and it was this lady, and she really sweet, really nice, and they take a picture of delivering your packages so they have proof. So I don't think anything of it. I get upstairs with the package, I open it up, and I knew it. I'm like, dude, this is a heavy package. What I ordered, I don't think it's a heavy, but maybe it is, I don't know. And it wasn't my apartment. Nor was it even in my building. Sometimes I get close, it's like a number or so off. Yeah. So I thought maybe it was one of the buildings next to me. I went out, and it was like really dark at that point. And I don't want to be the person lurking around apartments. So couldn't find it. And obviously I'm on the wrong end of the complex. So in the morning, I found it, and I left a note saying, sorry, I did open your box. I didn't take anything out, but they delivered it to me, and I live on the other end of the complex, so I don't know what that was about. Anyways, I kept waiting to see if my delivery got marked as delivered, and it didn't, so it just came today. And as long as my stuff is okay, that's not what matters. That was just weird. I'm like, you're not even close, lady. I'm on the other side of the complex to where you need to be. So I don't know what happened there. It's strange. Man, it just took me 5 minutes to get my packages out because one of them was a box that was too big for the blocker. I hate when they do that. If you have trouble getting it in, do you think I'm gonna have more issues getting it out? Oh well. And it was hot in that little room. I'm all sweaty now. Plus I was fighting to get my stuff out. I need to go take a bath. I wanted to go swimming today, but there's too many people. Oh well. Probably better I didn't. Probably got even more burnt. But I didn't put any sunblock on, so I didn't intend to be out very long, which is not an excuse, but I just woken up. But I don't think I got burnt. I was starting to get pink, but I don't think I got burnt. I don't see anything. Alright, that's it for now. One good thing about this tropical storm that kind of fizzled out by the time it got to us, we got some cooler weather. Nifty's under the blankie. Oh my goodness, she's so excited. She loves to get under the blanket. Oh my god, she's so happy right now. She's a happy girl. Oh, it's gonna be close to 100 again. soon, but for the time being, she's a happy girl. Yes, Mama. She lives for being under the covers. She loves it. Yes. Today's Halloween decorations are some little battery-operated tea lights. A lot of them. A lot. How do they? That's a lot. They're all basically the same. Turn them over. Turn them on. Let me turn my light off. Okay. The flicker. And they are, I'm assuming you can replace the batteries if you want. Because there's like a little tab to open up this bottom. Let's see how easy that is one-handed. Yep. Comes off easy. And you just put them right back on. But they came in white and they came in black. I thought black might look a little cool. I'm gonna put some in my window facing out of my apartment, and maybe some in the window of my bedroom. And I don't know what to do with the rest of them. Keep them. If I'm going to keep them and not use them all, I'm going to take all the batteries out so they don't get drained. But, this is a lot. I can sprinkle them all over the place and put them in the bathroom or whatever. They don't have a timer or anything. They're just basic on and off. But they're pretty cool. You like them, Millie? You like them? No, they're nothing for you. They're not for you, Mama. They're not for you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to report they're not for you. Yeah. You excited for Halloween? You excited for Halloween? Yeah? Halloween is coming. Yes. Halloween. What are you going to be for Halloween? Yeah, are you going to dress up? Are you going to dress up? Are you going to dress up this year? Are you? Oh, you don't know. Oh, maybe. Maybe not. Okay, Mama. No, Mama.